Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to insert line break in URL. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WhatsApp chat now and then you see data. So we are going to transmit this data to WhatsApp chat with break line. Now in URL you see text name and then you see we added %0a. So this is for new line or break line. So we are going to add break line after Hassan in WhatsApp chat. So we added in URL %0a. So click on continue to chat and then you see use WhatsApp web. So click on it. Now starting chat and then in WhatsApp you see name and then you see line added by using %0a in URL and then you see email in next line. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.